Hey guys, hey everyone. So if you're looking to make a website just in a few minutes for your business, community events, personal portfolio, or even a wedding, that video is gonna be for you. Wix is a powerful option for that because it allows you to make beautiful, customizable websites with the help of Wix Website Builder service. And as usual, I'm waiting for your comments, I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your personal opinion. All the useful information will be about this video episode, so don't hesitate and let's check what's going on Wix. So first of all, we have a question on the desktop. What kind of a website do you want to create? Maybe for a business. Yeah, if you're a designer, you may use this type: portfolio, CV, fitness, events, music, yeah, online stores, beauty and wellness. So let's start today from, I would say, fitness. Yeah, fitness category, and let's check what there will be. By the way, here we have two types or two ways of creation. Yep, the website. First of all is Wix ADI, which is basically the artificial intelligence. Yeah, and it will make actually a website for you. But in this case, you actually don't have the opportunity to control the process, how it's going on. So basically, if you would like to start from the ADI, you will have just a few simple questions you need to answer them, and after the ADI makes actually a website for you. And actually I would advise this in this case if your site, if it's really small, yeah, or you actually don't have your free time and you are not interested in this, to be honest, so ADI will make it for you. Or if you are vice versa, for example, very interested in this, how to create by yourself a cool, gorgeous, with gorgeous content website, you can do this via the editor, and the editor is user friendly, so we will check it. So actually better for you option will be actually the editor. So we will start from the editor and we will choose the template. So I can say that the templates are a source of pride for Wix, because here you have more than 500 layouts for different types of sites made by professionals, interesting videos of the background of the page, and of course you have right here 3D effects on photo banks and image editor. And don't forget that all the templates are available for free, yes, and it's pretty cool. So their database is constantly updated, and there are no problems with adaptability for different devices. I mean, for the desktop or for mobile phones. So actually we have categories such as business and services, store, creative, community, and blogs, and you see that each category has its own subcategory. But today we are talking about wellness, fitness, yep, and first of all, let's observe the template. So we can check that here we have fitness trainer, yep, gym, fitness facility, online fitness, personal trainer, gym. So we have yoga studio, we have many cool and interesting templates, and I would like to show you, to be honest, them, because I want to convince you that on Wix you have beautiful and gorgeous templates. So let's start for this beautiful girl in this I would say yellow suit. Yeah, let's check the view. So basically this is the widget. This widget basically is a short video which shows us how it looks like, but to be honest, let's check the full demo. Yeah, so we have the menu section, we have actually the header, we have actually first page, which is really cool, yeah, because we have presentation of what it is with beautiful, colorful, bright, I would say, background. The next one, we have a section right here about this girl where she represents herself in details. Yeah, the next one, introducing part about Foxfit. So we have many cool sections, and that is how it looks like. By the way, this is the adapted version for the desktop, but we have right here the version for mobile devices. So basically that is how it will look like on mobile phone. We check it. Okay, we need just wait a few seconds. Okay, cool. So basically, it also looks really nice, and to be honest, you know that in Pantone we got yellow and gray. These colors are top 2021. So I adore, to be honest. So this template, it's really nice and with beautiful content. And by the way, if you, for example, see that you like the template, but to be honest, sections are not, maybe some sections good for you, but you really adore this template, you may use the template, because remember that each section you may add, delete, or change. So basically you can do whatever with the template. So let's actually observe the other templates. And basically the other template that will be about the gym. So basically all the same. Here we have a short widget presentation of the gym, and let's watch a full demo. So here we have beautiful also template with gorgeous pictures, and you can actually, to grab your attention, the images are high quality, and this is very important. Yeah. So if you would like to actually upload your personal pictures, don't forget that they should be high quality. It's very important. Yeah. And here we have actually this short, I would say, template with, of course, some widgets. Here we have a video. Yep. So that is really cool, to be honest. Okay, that is for mobile phone. And basically that is how it looks like. So all the same, we have a widget, we have videos right here, but we have the adaptive design for mobile devices. Yeah. And the one more information, I would say the extra information I would love to add, it will be Wix pricing. Yeah, Wix plans actually, because it's important for you to know if you would like to start your journey on Wix, and maybe after you would like to buy a plan. Yeah. So actually, guys, you may use Wix for free because you have this opportunity, but you know it's not included in this free plan your own domain name. Yeah. You can connect, for example, your own domain with your Wix site. It will cost you, for example, just almost $5. Yeah, but your site will still show Wix ads. Wix ads. Because for free, when you will actually create your website, you will there will be actually Wix ads. And of course, even if you will buy a domain, I'm not saying buy, if you will use your personal domain, actually there will be Wix ads. But this plan is not available in all the countries. You need to check them and to prove this information. Yeah. $14 we have a combo plan, and this combo plan is ideal for smaller professional websites, and there is no ads and plenty of storage. Yeah, but it's unlimited. By the way, we have actually for $18 the right plan if you need a lot of web space. For example, up to 10 gigabytes included. This plan is about $18, business and e-commerce. And the last one I would say is about $23-$25. It's VIP Unlimited, which is available too. And this is a best, I would say, plan to create an online store or to use premium apps like, for example, Wix Bookings or Wix Hotels or higher plans. So don't hesitate, and maybe that plan or one of these plans will be really actually for you. So I guess in the last one, let's start to check Yoga Studio. So all the same, here we have a short widget. So let's start to watch a full demo. That is the version for the desktop, and that is what I told you about. That images, logos, everything is impressive. It looks really nice, and to be honest, that's why I love using Wix and work with Wix. This template, as you see, is not so large, I would say, because we have some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have almost 10 sections, but they are not too large, I would say, in this way. So I guess that we will start to work with this template in the editor, but here we have mobile version. So let's check how it looks like on our mobile devices. So basically that is what I'm trying to prove you, that actually Wix, you should use Wix, because you know nowadays it's really I would say it makes your life easier, yep, in that way. If you don't have any tech experience, you don't have any design skills, yeah, so actually Wix made all for you. You just you need to choose the correct template that you would like, and after it depends on your taste. You may left some settings or change them. So clicking directly to the bottom, edit this side, we will work with the editor. So people, actually this is the editor, and there actually magic begins, because here we actually change elements, delete elements, and this is drag and drop editor, and I would say clicking directly to the each element we can upload something. For example, I forgot, but we have group elements right here. Yeah, we have text, we have some I would say elements, yeah. We can ungroup, I would say, these elements, yeah, and clicking directly to the elements we have some settings, so we can add, for example, text, or change text, or delete text. For basically we have sun yoga, and I will delete, for example, sun, and I will I will make it your okay. Let it be your yoga. Yep. So that is how you can work with the text. Or for example, you don't like the color of the text. All the same, clicking directly to the text, we have what? We have fonts. We can change, for example, some fonts into the Tahoma, for example, and let's check. So basically that is how it looks like on Tahoma. Or for example, come on, we have Arial, or okay, it's, to be honest, boring. Georgia, it's not appropriate. Let it be. Open Sans. No. Okay, Montserrat. So basically this is the appropriate for me, for example, in my opinion, that's actually font is appropriate. So all the same, clicking directly to the text, you may change the color, you may change the font, or even the size, or even the paragraph, headings, and other things. So the only one I would love to change, for example, the color, and let it be this pink one. For example, clicking directly to this element, yep, we have ungroup this element, or we can just, yep, to drag it to the other case, but you know, it looks better. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Ungroup elements. And for example, I would love to add the animation, just like here, gliding, and here we have this flying round. So basically that should be in this way, that is how it looks like. Clicking directly to the horizontal menu we have right here, all the same, two bottom, actually many bottoms appeared in this way, and actually clicking directly to the manage bottom here, I would say we can actually change the layout, I mean the name of the pages. For example, home, we can change to not home, it should be, for example, main. Yeah, it's just like the example done, and basically we have not home. I've changed it to the main. All the same, we can change the design to add the animation, to stretch it. So basically, like here we have a login bar. Clicking directly to the login bar, we can add some settings, change the design. For example, it may look like with the borders, yep, or with the corners, it may have a shadow. So basically it depends on your choice. Yeah, of course we have, for example, talking about this one, we have a beautiful, I would say, background. But if, for example, you don't like this background, clicking directly to this button right here, we have change strip background, and you can change it, for example, to this one. And basically we have this animation. Or for example, selected backgrounds. Yep, from the list of backgrounds I would love to add something. Let's do the image, and okay, so basically we have a media from Wix, and let's search something from yoga. Yep. So actually that we have some images on Wix, yep, and we can choose the appropriate that we would like, but this is the media from Wix. We may use media from Unsplash, and of course we can use the media from Shutterstock. So basically it depends on your choice, and you prefer the one that you like. So for example, right here it was like this, yep, image, but for example for me I'm searching for this one. Just let it be, let's check it. Yep, so and then basically you can see right now that I've changed actually a page background, and it also looks really nice. Yeah, and actually working with each detail, you can change everything right here directly with the help of X editor. And as you see, I can add that working with this editor was very easy because it's user friendly, and you may start your personal journey on Wix. Wix has many advantages, and for me, from actually one of the main advantages are that we have actually right here help of the ADI, or we have right here the editor, which is user friendly. We have gorgeous templates, and of course you may use different Wix apps. So you may try, it depends on you, on your mood, on your vibes, on your practice. As usual, I'm waiting for your personal opinion about Wix, about my videos. I'm waiting on your comments. I'm waiting for your likes as always. I wish you good practice, good templates on Wix, and see each other in another video episode. Bye.